Hey everyone, isn't it a beautiful sunny day? Look at our friends playing outside. Phew, it's getting hot out here. The bright sun is shining down, making everything feel super warm. They're wiping their foreheads because they're starting to sweat. But wait, what happens when the seasons change? Bah! Suddenly, it's a winter wonderland. Everything is covered in snow and ice, and our friends are shivering in the cold. Why does it feel so hot one day and so cold the next? It's all about heat and temperature. So, what exactly is heat? Think of heat as a special kind of energy. It's the energy that makes things feel warm. When something has a lot of heat energy, it feels hot. When it doesn't have much, it feels cold. And how do we know exactly how hot or cold something is? That's where temperature comes in. Temperature is a measurement. We use a special tool called a thermometer to measure it. See how the red line goes up when it's hot and goes down when it's cold? That's the thermometer telling us the temperature. Let's look at some fun examples. Look at this yummy cup of hot cocoa. You can even see the steam rising from it. It's full of heat energy, making it feel toasty and delicious. Now, what about this ice cream cone on a sunny day? Oh no! The heat from the sun is making it melt into a puddle. That's because heat is moving from the warm sun to the cold ice cream. Heat always likes to travel from hotter things to cooler things. Imagine sitting around a cozy campfire. You can feel the warmth on your face, right? That's the heat from the fire traveling through the air to you. We can even see the little heat arrows moving from the fire to the people and the logs around it, warming everything up. Heat can do some pretty amazing things. It can even change the state of things. Let's take an ice cube. It's solid, right? But if we add some heat, what happens? It starts to melt and turns into liquid water. Now, if we keep adding even more heat, that water will start to bubble and turn into steam, which is a gas. So, heat turns solid ice into liquid water and then into a gas. How cool is that? From ice to water to steam, all thanks to heat energy. So, let's play a quick game. Look at all these objects. We have a steaming bowl of soup and a frosty popsicle. Which one feels hot? That's right, the soup. And which one feels cold? You got it, the popsicle. Understanding heat and temperature helps us make sense of the world all around us, from the sizzling summer sun to a chilly winter day. It's what makes our world a wonderful place of hot and cold. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time.